Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Ipevo cam in a Google Meet or a Zoom session with your students. First thing you want to do is open up the visualizer software so that your cam is active. Alright, make sure you have your paper positioned under the cam that you want to present. Then go ahead and start a Google Meet session, and once everybody's joined, when you're ready to share your screen and what's under your cam, you click Present Now and choose a window. This allows you to just choose your visualizer window instead of your entire desktop. So I'm going to choose the visualizer window and click Share. Alright, so now I'm actually sharing my visualizer window, and so I can work and speak, and it's going through to my students. Whenever you're done with your cam and you want to go back to just a regular Meet session, you can click Stop Sharing and then go back here to your Meet window and you can continue your session.